Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover hacked Telegram account. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Safari or Google Chrome or any browser on your device. In the search bar, type Telegram support and search for it. From the results, open the official Telegram support page. Once the support page opens, you'll see a contact form where you can explain your issue. In the message section, write that your Telegram account has been hacked and that you need help recovering it. After that, enter your full legal name, then enter your email address and the phone number connected to your Telegram account. You should also provide details, such as the last location or device where you successfully used Telegram before losing access. After filling out all the required information, complete the verification section if needed, and then press the submit button. Telegram support will review your request and may contact you through email with further recovery instructions. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover hacked Telegram account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.